Hello guys, welcome back. This is Gopi, your how to do friend. In this movie we are going to discuss about the LeetCode problem 1492. Find the k factor of n. What would be the input and what would be the output? So we are going to discuss about that. Okay. So first of all, the input would be two integer n equal to 12 and k equal to 3. We need to find all the factor list. So they do have given some calculation. If this is satisfied, then that is the k factor, and we need to find the kth value in that array, and then we need to return it as an output. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. In this movie I'm going to use C# as my programming language, and let's start solving the problem. First of all, as said, we have got two integers. One is int n and one is int k. Since the method return type is integer, I'm going to have one integer variable called t and then return t. So what we have to do is nothing but we need to look through all the value to find the factor I lesser than n, then I plus plus. We all know that here the loop should start from 0 and that should be less than the n, and we need to have one condition that needs to be satisfied. The condition is nothing but whatever it may be the ith value that needs to be divided by, whatever it may be the nth value that needs to be modulo by I, and that needs to be equal to 0. In our case, n percentage I equal to 0 if in that case the value is correct. To store all the factor, we can even create integer array, or you can even create list. In my case, I'm going to create one list which is of type integer. I'm going to name the list as A. Now it's an object type, so we need to create we need to use the constructor of the type list of type int, and I'm going to add all the value into the list. Add of I. This is nothing but I'm going to calculate all the value which is present in the n from 0 to n and trying to find the factor of that specific integer, specific ith value. If it is thus, then adding all those value into the list. Now in this case I have got all the factor that got added into the list. Now I need to find the kth factor. I'm going to use this k integer value to find the kth factor. For that, what we can do is nothing but t equal to a of k. Likewise, we can achieve that. If the value for that, we can consider a.count. In C# we do have one count method which actually tells the total number of count present in the list, which should be greater than k. Then only I will be having t equal to a of k, else I will be having -1 as the return type. Then set t initialize t to the -1 value and then hit the run code method. Let's wait for the result. There is a runtime problem which is nothing but the divide by 0 exception. This is the most common problem. This actually needs to be fixed at the first line itself. Now we have got the two. Here also we do have another problem, like here we are going to actually access the value of list based upon the index. Since the index is starting from 0, we need to consider that -1 as the value. Hit the run code. Finished. So we have got some answer. Let's go ahead and run the submit button, and it will check all against the hidden test cases, and we do got one wrong answer. The expected is 7 and we have got the output as -1. Let's go ahead and check the code to why we have got the wrong answer. I suspect that there might be a chance that we do have the value which is equal to the index value. For that I just added the equal to sign, and let's go ahead and run the submit button, and the answer got submitted. So I hope that you have understood how I have achieved the solution. If you didn't get the solution, please go ahead and update the comment section. I will read that and will try to help you out to understand the solution. If you like my video, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming video.